In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new additional calendar in New Outlook. We'll go through the process from start to finish in a simple, clear way, so you can create another calendar and organize your schedule more effectively. This is especially useful if you want to separate personal events, work tasks, projects, or reminders into different calendars instead of keeping everything in one place. To begin, open Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook is fully loaded, look toward the navigation area and click Calendar. This will switch you from your email view into the Calendar section, where you can manage all of your existing calendars and create new ones. After that, find the Calendar section connected to another account if you have more than one account added in Outlook. Click the calendar there, and you should be able to see it in split view. Split view can be helpful because it lets you compare schedules side by side, making it easier to keep track of appointments across different calendars without mixing them together. Now, if you want to add a brand new calendar, look for the Add Calendar option and click it. This is the feature that allows you to bring in a new calendar or create one from scratch directly inside Outlook. From the available options, click Create Blank Calendar. This is the best choice when you want to make a completely new calendar for your own use, rather than subscribing to or importing an existing one. Creating a blank calendar gives you a clean starting point so you can organize it exactly the way you want. Next, enter a name for your calendar. Choose something clear and easy to recognize, especially if you plan to use multiple calendars. For example, you might name it based on the type of events you'll store there. After naming it, customize the color and charm. The color helps your calendar stand out visually, which makes it easier to identify events at a glance. The charm adds another layer of personalization, helping you quickly tell one calendar from another. Once everything looks the way you want, click Save. Your new additional calendar will then be created and added to Outlook. From there, you can start adding events to it and use it alongside your other calendars to stay organized more efficiently. That's all it takes to add a new additional calendar in New Outlook. As a quick tip, using separate calendars for different parts of your life can make your schedule much easier to read and manage.